Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change ringtone on a Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down and you can see here the ringtone. And the ringtone is set into its Realme ringtone. So you can change this by tap the ringtone. And okay, here in ringtone section, you can see the available ringtone to your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay, so the ringtone is set into its Realme. So you can change into Realme tone, calm, nostalgic, or more ringtone here. So you can scroll down for more ringtone you want to change or set as a ringtone. So for my example, I changed the ringtone into calm. So you can select this and okay, go back. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the ringtone into calm on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.